Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's been a pretty busy couple of weeks here. Lots of things going on. We attended a small car show at a nursing home, which is the first video you're going to see here. But in the meantime, I've had other things come up. I had to bleed the brakes on my truck. I had lost brakes. I've got that all taken care of. I still think I need to bleed them one more time. They're just not 100% there. My mom's vehicle, she was complaining about her brakes making noise, and I brought it in, and I had to replace 2 front calipers and all the brake pads, and I bled them twice. I thought they were pretty good. She's still not 100% sure yet. So that might be coming back in for one more time to try to bleed the brakes, but I wasn't getting any air out of that system. So that's been going on. My brother-in-law, he came up from Georgia for his mom's birthday, and I always like visiting with him. You know, it's like 2 guys sitting around shooting the crap about cars and stuff. He's totally on a different realm than I am. I'm into classic cars, and I like going to car shows and just sitting around. But really, I would rather be in my shop working on cars all the time. That's my favorite thing. I just like building something that people think should have been scrapped. But his side is he likes to go off-roading. He has a Jeep, so he likes to go out there and splice through the mud and climb the hills and occasionally roll his Jeep. But yeah, that's something I don't think this old body could take. You know, that would hurt like hell and everything. But that's the way that goes. But I'm getting back to you because I wanted to explain to you about these shows. This first show you're going to see on here, like I say, is a short one, so don't expect a whole lot. The second one's going to be a different type of show, and I'll tell you about that before it starts. Decatur, Indiana, the Woodcrest show. Told you guys it's going to be a small one. I did get both my cars out here.
Oh, okay.
And them Hudsons were big. hype. This show is a Hispanic festival here in Decatur. This is the first time they've ever tried it, and I wanted to be part of it. I just heard stories from someone else. They had told me what was coming to town, and I was excited about it because I've never been to one. They said they're going to be hopping cars, you know, the hydraulic cars bouncing and stuff, and they expected like 30 of them coming down from Chicago and up by Fort Wayne, Indiana. And they were going to have a hopping contest, actually have the cars hopping against each other to see who can get the highest. And I was really looking forward to that. I thought, wow, that's going to be exciting. I've never seen it in person. I'd like to see what it's like. But you're going to see in this video that was kind of a bust. You know, it wasn't anything like I expected. So I was disappointed. But being their first one, hopefully next year will get a little better, and the next year after that will get a little better. So wait and see how that is. If you don't want to watch the Hispanic one, you know, you can just stop right here. Don't watch the rest of the video. It's totally up to you. I was disappointed in that festival. It was really hyped up, and it didn't live up to the hype. I hope it does get better. But, you know, some of that could have been because my wife had been looking forward to that show for, wow, weeks. And the day of the show, she was sick. So she wasn't able to attend the show with me. I had gone by myself. So maybe since I couldn't experience that with her, I thought it was a little boring and a little downgraded. You know, maybe it was better than I thought. We'll leave that judgment up to you guys because video's coming your way. No, hell yeah. That's awesome. Food trucks, food trucks, food trucks. Get all this stuff.
Check. We want to remind you that the drawing for Greg Mendez sculpture that you can win for $5 is still over at the main tent. Please stop by and visit with the Hotspot crew.
Oh, he's definitely gonna bust it open. Pull that blindfold up. Now you can see. Go, go, go! Take the stop, take the stop, take the stop! Come on! Go hard! Oh, one more, one more!
Cual prisionera, pero
There will be more video on the Mustang here behind me. Lot more is coming your way. You know, I just had this over the last couple of weeks and I really wanted to get this together and get this up on YouTube. Hopefully you guys enjoy. You could probably hear the rain on my roof. We haven't had rain for a long time, so I'm kind of glad to hear it. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing, like and share. Till next time, later.